Lockheed Martin completed the first F-22 Raptor at the company's Inlet Coating Repair (ICR) speed line, a company statement said. Periodic maintenance is required to maintain the special exterior coatings that contribute to the fifth-generation Raptor's very low observable radar cross-section, Lockheed stated. The increase in F-22 deployments, including ongoing operational combat missions, has increased the demand for ICR. Additionally, Lockheed Martin is providing modification support services, analytical condition inspections, radar cross-section turntable support and antenna calibration. Also, Air Force officials have told Scout Warrior that, by 2019, the service will begin upgrading F-22 functionality for the AIM-120D and AIM-9X air-to-air missiles as well as enhanced air-to-surface target location capabilities. The F-22 currently carries the AIM-9X Block 1 and a current upgrade will enable carriage of AIM-9X Block 2. Raytheon AIM-9X weapons developers explain that the Block 2 variant adds a redesigned fuse and a digital ignition safety device that enhances ground handling and in-flight safety. Block II also features updated electronics that enable significant enhancements, including lock-on after launch capability using a new weapon data link to support beyond visual range engagements, a Raytheon statement said. Another part of the weapons upgrade includes engineering the F-22 to fire the AIM-120D, a beyond visual range advanced medium-range air-to-air missile, AMRAAM, designed for all-weather day and night attacks. It is a fire-and-forget missile with active transmit radar guidance, Raytheon data states. The AIM-120D is built with upgrades to previous AMRAAM missiles by increasing attack range, GPS navigation, inertial measurement units and a two-way data link, Raytheon statements explain. The AIM-120D also includes improved high-angle off-boresight technology enabling the weapon to destroy targets at a wider range of angles. Additional upgrades to the stealth fighter, slated for 2021, are designed to better enable digital communications via data links with 4th and 5th generation airplanes. As the Air Force and Lockheed Martin move forward with weapons envelope expansions and enhancements for the F-22, there is of course a commensurate need to upgrade software and its onboard sensors to adjust to emerging future threats, industry developers explained. Ultimately, this effort will lead the Air Force to draft up requirements for new F-22 sensors. The Air Force is in the early phases of designing new sensors for its stealthy 5th-generation F-22 Raptor as it proceeds with software upgrades, hardware adjustments, new antennas and data link improvements designed to better enable to connect the F-22 and F-35 sensor packages to one another, industry officials explained. Sensor interoperability, two-way data links and other kinds of technical integration between the two 5th-gen stealth aircraft are considered key to an Air Force combat strategy which intends for the F-22 speed and air-to-air combat supremacy to complement and work in tandem with the F-35's next-gen sensors, precision attack technology, computers and multi-role fighting mission ability. An essential software adjustment, called Update 6, is now being worked on by Lockheed Martin engineers on contract with the Air Force. Work on the software is slated to be finished by 2020, John Cottam, F-22 Program Deputy, Lockheed Martin Aeronautics, told Scout Warrior in an interview several months ago. The F-22 is designed to fly in concert with F-35. Software Update 6 for the F-22 will give the Air Force a chance to link their sensor packages together. Sensors are a key component to its capability. As the F-22 gets its new weapons on board, you are going to need to upgrade the sensors to use the new weapons capability, Cottam added. A hardware portion of the upgrades, called a tactical mandate, involves engineering new antennas specifically designed to preserve the stealth configuration of the F-22. New antennas have to be first constructed. They will be retrofitted onto the airplane. Because of the stealth configuration, putting antennas on is difficult and time-consuming, Cottam said. While the F-35 is engineered with dogfighting abilities, its advanced sensor technology is intended to recognize enemy threats at much further distances, enabling earlier, longer-range attacks to destroy enemies in the air. Such technologies, which include 360-degree sensors known as Northrop Grumman's Distributed Aperture System and a long-range electro-optical targeting system, are designed to give the F-35 an ability to destroy targets at much longer ranges, therefore precluding the need to dogfight.
As the world's first precision-guided firearms company, Tracking Point is fueled by our obsessive drive to innovate. It's one of the bold qualities that defines us. This is an entirely new way of thinking, a true revolution. We have redesigned the very concept of a firearm from the ground up. Tracking Point has created a fully integrated system, electronically connecting our tracking system to the trigger. The release of the trigger is computer-guided, eliminating human error due to misaiming, trigger jerk, and jitter. When you hold your precision-guided semi-auto in your hands, you are experiencing the end product of thousands of hours of tireless engineering efforts, rigorous testing, design after obsessive redesign, built in America and tested around the world. Utilizing the same tag-and-shoot technology found in fighter jets, our precision-guided semi-autos allow the shooter to make extraordinary shots at extreme distances, even on moving targets. All shot data is available to the shooter in the system's heads-up display. Key pieces of data, including distance, target velocity, and shot angle, are present at all times. To take a shot, simply press the tag button to designate an impact point. The Tracking Point system instantly calculates a precise firing solution to make the perfect shot on the designated impact point. You then squeeze the trigger, turning the reticle red, and move it back towards the tag. The trigger release is electronically guided by the Tracking Point system. When the reticle is aligned with the tag, a precise shot is released, regardless of shooter or target movement. Using our Shot View app, the shooter can stream their view from the firearm to a smartphone, tablet, or shot glass wearables, unlocking a new era in creativity. This allows for easy sharing and recording of shots in real time, and the ability to shoot around corners or over barricades. Your precision-guided semi-auto automatically tracks tagged targets, moving up to and over 20 miles per hour. These movements are integrated into our constantly updating firing solution to ensure precise shots on moving targets. Tracking Point precision-guided firearms include permanent zero, eliminating the need for the shooter to zero their gun ever. We have integrated a barrel reference system into our firearms that takes laser measurements, ensuring permanent zero across the entire system regardless of shock, vibration, or environmental factors. To call these features improvements or advances would be a disservice, because this is not a gun. This is the Tracking Point precision-guided semi-auto, a truly unique, comprehensive shooting system in a class of its own. We do this in the name of innovation, in the name of true precision, in the name of taking the best product we can make and putting it in the hands of forward-thinking shooters who demand an elite experience. Tracking Point has made this concept a reality, and in the process, defined an entirely new industry of precision-guided firearms. Now you can make shots that used to be humanly impossible. Tracking Point precision-guided semi-autos are available in 3 calibers for a wide range of shooting applications. Available now at trackingpoint.com.